welcome to the Deja Vu podcast. Deja here. I'm in this beautiful bamboo jungle on the island of Maui, Hawaii, here on a little family vacation, and I'm exploring around this beautiful view. I have been just so observant of this thought lately, and just seeing how the word of integrity and being impeccable with our word has been coming up. And it's funny because I wanted to film this video, and so I was so concerned about how I can display that to people, is to help people be authentic in what we want to be about. And as I was doing that, I was realizing how it took me out of my truth, and I was so concerned about how I'm going to make this video that it actually took me out of my authentic experience. So it's just teaching me as I make these videos to really be a person of my word, where it's not an act, people, where we need to be true. And if we're going to preach about something and we're going to be something, then we're going to say it, these concepts that we say that we believe in, then follow through with them. Then be the words that we say that we are, because that's what's really going to make the change, and that's really where we're going to grow. Because the words can only go so far, but the actions are really the truth. So let's hold each other accountable in this world and actually be people that we pretend that we are, as I will do the same. I love you all, and I hope you have a great summer and the weeks to enjoy the sun coming up. Love you!